Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can turn off notification in your Shein app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to turn off your notification from your Shein app, all you need to do is simply tap on the settings option from your device. So once you tap on the settings, you can go and tap on notifications. There you can find the option called app notifications. So simply tap on it and there you have to now search for the Shein app. So once you find the Shein app, you can simply tap on the dongle from right to left, which will now allow you to mute your notifications from Shein. So this way you can simply turn it from left to the right option if you ever want to turn it on. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.